Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. So, let's tap on settings, tap on display, and here are all settings for our display. We can set light mode and dark mode. We can change brightness level and set automatic brightness. Also, we can set sunlight mode. We can turn on or off reading mode and adjust it. We can change color scheme. And text size. We can choose display when device is in virtual reality. And from more settings, we can hide notch, select notch in the individual apps, show icons for incoming notifications, show connection speed, show carrier when device is locked, use new control system, edit carrier name, and choose battery indicator. Then we've got full screen mode. Choose apps you want to be in full screen mode. And the last is auto rotate screen. And that's all for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.